qualifying factor on a defined benefit pension determines if an employee can retire early without a pension. So without a penalty, sorry. So first thing about qualifying factors is they apply to DB plans only. DB plans only. There are restrictions on DC plans. We'll talk about those separately, but there is no qualifying factor. The qualifying factor is often referred to as points or a magic number, We refer to early retirement sometimes as receiving a full pension. Very common to refer to it as receiving a full pension. More accurately, it's an unreduced pension. So working beyond the minimum age might earn you more money, but if you retire at the minimum age according to the qualifying factor, you will not be penalized. You will not lose anything. The most common qualifying factor, and in fact, every plan I've ever seen with a qualifying factor is 85. Nothing to say it couldn't be different, and I'm sure there are plans which are different, but 85 is the most common qualifying factor. Again, we would also refer to this as points or magic number. What is a qualifying factor? A qualifying factor is age plus years of service. Is age plus years of service. When age plus years of service equals the qualifying factor, or 85, then you are able to early retire without a penalty. There is often also a minimum age, so regardless of age plus years of service, regardless of the qualifying factor, there might be an absolute minimum age. There is a formula for it. We're going to just reason it through without using the formula so that we don't have to memorize the formula. But if you prefer the formula, there is a formula in your textbook, and you can just plug the numbers into the formula and get the correct answer. Let's try an example. I have a defined benefit pension through the college, and my qualifying factor is 85. Let's say that when I was 40 years old, I had 15 years of service. I didn't, but I had bought back some time so that I had the equivalent of 15 years of service. So at this point, my qualifying factor, or my points that I have accumulated towards my qualifying factor, is 55. But the question is to determine how much longer I have to work to reach the qualifying factor. Remember, it's typically 85, and I didn't tell you otherwise, so we're assuming it is 85. So if I have to get to 85, how many more points do I need? I need 30 more points. How many points do I accumulate per year that I work? If it's age plus years of service, I get 2 points, because at 41, I will have 1 more year old and 1 more year of service. So I've accumulated 2 points. So we divide that number by 2 to get 15. I have to work 15 more years. And remember, I'm 40 years old. I'm not now, but I was. So I have to work until I am 55 in order to be able to qualify for an unreduced pension.